to my channel. It's a free trader, profitable trader. In this video today, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to catch this sell trade on GBPJPY that is currently going in a positive direction, and the market is just closed yesterday, and we are hoping to hit TP on Monday probably. So this video is going to be all about how I was able to catch the sellers from here and do the entry from this point. This is the origin trade. This is the confirmation settings, and right now in this video I'll be showing you guys how I was able to catch these two entries. So my strategy is very simple. I trade SLP, which is SLP, so structure, liquidity, and POI, point of interest. So first and foremost, I understand direction. We get to understand what direction is all about, because direction plays a very big role in all my trades. You get. So now I came into the daily time frame to see what GBPJPY will actually do, and coming down to the daily time frame to read structure, you can see GBPJPY has been buying to the upside without the trend line. You can see our short right on GBPJPY. So after confirming this, I wanted to see what price did. Now a lot of people were trying to sell from this zone because what structure, we were having buys to the upside. You can see highs, lows, and highs. The price gave us a market structure shift, got closer to that order block, created an inducement, and a lot of people were trying to sell from this point. Price gave us a failed reaction and broke above the zone with the small bullish candle above right here. So now this already states that the buyers are really aggressive in this market, and after I got this break, I marked this up, just simple support and resistance. After resistance is broken, we don't try to create a liquidity above the resistance that was broken, and you expect the bounce on that broken resistance, which automatically turns into a support for price when price gets back to it. So that was the idea I created around this zone. Now I was actually waiting for price to come back to this zone. I saw something day before yesterday. That was yesterday early morning. I noticed something. I discovered that this candle was unable to close above this high, giving us this CRT formation, which is the candle took out liquidity above this high. And I went down to my 1 hour time frame. I started breaking down the time frames to see if there was like a market structure shift, and I noticed there was a valid market structure shift at that area. So now you can see the market structure shift. This was the daily time frame candle swept high, and we had the market structure shift. Now after the market structure shift, there was a single candle inducement, which was this single candle. Now if I go down to another time frame, you would see this was the inducement. And now when the inducement came, this was the candle that gave us the market structure shift. Now when the inducement came, it tapped into this breaker block, because this is a failed order block that automatically turned into a breaker block. Now after that, you can see the reaction came to close below this area, giving us what a valid inducement. So I had to mark out my previous POI, which is this order block here, and I set my entry for that. So I saw what price did, and it was at early morning during Asian session price reacted from the zone, and you can see the fall. So the second entry came yesterday, that was Friday. Price took out this year. Now after origin setup, which is you want to see something like this in the market. So you want to see something like this in the market, right? And you want to see market structure shift, a valid engagement, and you want to see price come back to this area, right? Now this is your POI. This is your breakup look that is already mitigated by the inducement provided at this level. Now you want to see price come pick this low for continuation. Now you want to see something like this, create inducement closer to that, and it's just simple support and resistance. When support get broken, it automatically finds into resistance, and when resistance get broken, it automatically finds into support. So that was what actually happened here. Now the inducement is not really that clear on the this is ridiculous actually. So this is it. We had a candle break at this zone. You can see I got the entry on the one hour time frame actually. So you can see we had a candle break at this zone, and what after the candle break we had a single candle pullback, which is what the inducement that validates this breakout level. You can see a marked bull doing, because it's just like the two zones got broken at the same time. In the sense, so I have to mark that level, and you can see what price did when we came back to that. So this is our inducement. And the question now is, why am I targeting this low to the beginner? Now remember, on the daily time frame, I am targeting that low because of the CRT formation, and the buyers are already, the storyline are already created, because price has to do with finance to this resistance and continue from it. That's why I want price to take this low, and since this candle high is already out, I'm expecting the low to go out also. So if price is going to take out this low, there are high chances that it's going to take this low also. So that's why my target has to be this area. And now I have the entry also. You can see same formation, right? Same formation for continuation. You can see we have a double broken, and we have an adjustment. I'm expecting price to come down to this point. Now price don't just move like that, create waves. It's price moves and waves. So I'm expecting this is just like a long treatment to tap into this area and continue to sell. So that is how easy to get this entry. And on gold too, we had an entry. This is USD card. This is USD card. I'm talking about it at the time. I just want to show you gold. I had an entry on gold, which is currently being at $900. Now we had an origin entry at this point, and everything on the 1 hour time frame. Price going to the daily time frame POI. This is the daily time frame POI. This is the daily time frame POI. We went down to the 1 hour to look for a change of character, which is very obvious on the 1 hour time frame. You can see price there was a market structure shift, inducement, which is this pullback. You can see the inducement, and price started selling from this area. Price started selling from this area, and our target is this tail, because structure is very big. Now this is like the situation. We had the market structure shift, inducement also. You can see inducement, which is a first pullback, and now we have another loop that price came into. I got this same entry that I got the GBPJPY entry also. Now you can see price came into this area, which is this order block. And I went down to the 15 minutes time, down here I got my entry from. And now you can see price deposit in market structure shift, provided inducements, and I sold from this area. Like I got the POI from the 30 minutes. Yeah, I got the POI from the 30 minutes. Now it was just above this. You can see price just tapped in it and started selling, gave us manipulation, but the manipulation failed to break out this area, and my stop loss was still protected. So price is just kind of like giving us a feedback to this area. So, and that is just how I was able to catch trades last week. And I hope you guys enjoy and you learned one or two things. Thank you for your share.